So the dawn is here. The dawn. Daybreak is here. And we did it again. We're here again. We're here again. We've begun the day here and nowhere else but here. Putting yourself through it. Putting yourself through it. As we said yesterday, there's a quote, I survive because the fire inside of me burns brighter than the fire around me. The internal, what you're feeling inside, your will, your determination, your drive, what you're feeling inside is stronger than any external adversity, any naysayers saying this, haters, criticism, people saying you can't make it. All that is external. All of those things are external. And anything external cannot defeat your internal. Your drive, your will, your determination. Why, your reason as to why we're here once again today. Not for me, not just for my family, not just for the people I haven't met in the world yet, but just to be better. And once we're being better, we help others to be better as well. Not rocket science. It's not rocket science. And I know it's easier said than done. It always will be easier said than done. But when it is done, when it is done, when it is stamped, you'll know that this was the best route taken. Not the route where the majority are sleeping in beds, scrolling through TikTok. Not the route where people just comment on the people's videos, haters, just talking every time. Don't know nothing about life. Really haven't really been through anything hard for real. Because I guarantee you the people that has been through the worst are normally the people that are kinder, softer, sweeter, more patient, more humble. Because they've seen life bring people up and they've seen life take them down. It's like that. But once again, we're here. New days here. We're here. No excuses as to why we can't be better. No excuses as to why you can't be better. Absolutely no excuses as to why you can't be great. Easier said than done. Way much more easier said than done. But when it is done, you know that's the easier route taken. Keep going.